And buddies, I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to your own channel, Namma Bengaluru Uta. Summer heat is increasing day by day, so today we are stepping out to taste few shakes here at Shakespert. This place is famous for its one-of-a-kind India's first hand-pounded shakes. This place is located near the Panchandri second stage, opposite to the BDI complex. To know more about the Shakespert, please do watch the entire episode. This is Adarsha from Namma Bengaluru Uta, and you guys are watching the 10th episode of Eat Your All Talk. If you guys are watching our channel for the very first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the instant notification. Share this video with your friends and family and give a thumbs up if you like the video, and please let us know your favorite shake or the favorite part of the video in the comment section.
We were lucky enough to get a sneak peek into the kitchen of Shakespert, where they prepare India's very first hand-pounded shakes here at Banashankari, Bengaluru. We saw the making of mango shakes. The Alfonso mango is pounded coarsely to form a big mass of the mango, and then it is mixed with the vanilla ice cream, and then it is pounded again to blend well. The scene of preparation of the hand-pounded shakes here at Shakespert was so phenomenal, and we could definitely expect 5 to 10 minutes of waiting as they prepare the hand-pounded shakes then and there when they receive the orders. Few mango slices are added for the pounding process. The inner part of the serving cup is removed with the mango syrup, and then hand pounded shakes are poured into the cup. On top of the thick mango shake, they have seasoned a big dollop of mango slices. On top of the mango slices, they have added cashew nut and mango syrup. After seeing all this, I can't wait to taste their sandwich along with the thick shake.
Now what I have is Shakespert special sandwich, and I have added more cheese for my customization. If you are a cheese lover, you can also customize accordingly by adding extra cheese. This sandwich has a triple layer of bread, and I have been informed that it has a whole lot of cheese in it and a dollop of a whole lot of vegetables also inside it. So let me break into half. This sandwich is so delicate with the thin strand of cheese. I think I can even break it more. Wow. This is so soothing. This definitely has few tomatoes, spinach, cucumber, mozzarella cheese, onion, and American sweet corn in it. Let me take the first bite of Shakespert special sandwich with extra cheese. This has the crisp on both the sides with the roasting of those breads. And I can get some crunch of the vegetables which are gone into it. I get some sweetness with the American corn, and it has a very mild taste of the tomato. And in between I can get the soothing bite of the cucumber. The mozzarella cheese which has gone into the sandwich makes that creamy presence to the sandwich. Every bite the mozzarella cheese is always there. My palate can taste the hint of that spice which comes from the green chutney, which has certainly gone to the sandwich. This is the sort of the sandwich which your dietitian would recommend you, since it has all the combination of vegetables, and as along with it, it has the gentle amount of mozzarella cheese to bind it. Definitely the cheese which has gone into it sticks into my mouth. I can bite the lot of the capsicum and tomato in between, and sometimes I can get some cucumber also in it. Now I have a signature premium thick shake of the Shakespert. I have my mango shake in front of me. It is so thick and it looks so premium with its vibrant colors, and it has seasoned with the mango slice on top of it. And with the swagger logo of that Shakespert, we have seen the action of how the mango shake is done in the kitchen. So that mortar and pestle or the kutani took me back to my childhood days when my mom and grandmom used to prepare home remedies with the stone kutani in my home. I think definitely you could also relate it to your old days. The shake is so frothy and thick. It has a very minor sweet which comes from the vanilla ice cream which is pounded during the preparation, and then very gentle tanginess which comes from the mango. The thick and the hand pounded shakes are the USP here at Shakespert. Definitely stand out from the other shakes available at the other shops. I would definitely carry this flavor of these hand pounded thick shakes after leaving this place also. This is so delicious. Now I will be moving on to periphery fries, which is also one of the customers' favorite here at the Shakespert. It has the aloo fries with the periphery coated, and on top of it, it is seasoned with the chipotle sauce. I can definitely make that. It has a little spice which comes from the periphery. Let me take a bite. Initially when I put into my mouth, I felt a little spiciness of that periphery, and once I bite into it, I got that starchy sweetness of the aloo. I think you should definitely must try this periphery fries when you come here at Shakespert, which is also one of the customers' favorite.
We got the beautiful sight of customer testimonials on one of the walls of Shakespert Bansankri. The bunch of happy customers definitely signifies the quality of shakes. Please do visit and let us know your opinion.
Having shakes here at Shakespert was soothing and comforting too, and the way they are prepared here took me back to my olden days. If you want to visit the Shakespert exact location and the Google Map coordinates are added in the description. Please do visit to Shakespert and let us know your favorite shakes in the comment section. Until we meet in our next episode, keep waiting, happy eating, and a happy shaking. Please do subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, and follow us on our official social media handles to get the exclusive updates about the upcoming episodes.